Ah, I didn't see you there. That old cheesy line. Do you know what's quite funny is actually while my cameraman was setting up his camera, I really was just sitting here enjoying the sun. The beautiful thing about this private terrace in this incredible Casares beachside townhouse is that we have the sun and it's relatively late in the day. What's really cool also is this lovely fountain, the pool being over there, and having access not only to the beach, but also to the paddle court. But what else makes it so great is the details. Now, there are several things that I mean by when I say details. Number one is how clever the space has been used. You see the way this all slides out like glass curtains, the way the flooring is just so perfectly blended, so you're inside and out. But also what I mean is how artfully it's done. And I mean artfully because the owner is an artist, and that much is very obvious when you look at the furniture, when you look at the bespoke tiles. You can't just walk into a store and simply buy them. This house is unique. What a fantastic size, over 178 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. And what's so amazing is even this kitchen, which is also brand new, flows all the way out. You can see right to the outside. Why? Because there used to be a wall there, there used to be a wall here, and now all you have is this beautiful island. And of course, what makes up the 0.1 bathroom. So let's check out the bedrooms. So here on the first floor, if you can imagine the old townhouse, the way it was laid out, this would have been bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and the master suite over there, sharing 1 bathroom here and having an ensuite there. But now we have this amazing double height, this lovely skylight, and the new master suite with ensuite, and we have a huge changing room in the back or walk-in closet. But that's not what makes this floor so special. This, the incredible solarium. What's so incredible about it is, how many times do I say to you guys, it's so close to the beach, you could practically walk, you could practically see the sand. There's the sand, right there, you can see it. So before I leave, before I say goodbye, let's talk about this area a little bit and where we are. Casares is about 20 minutes to Puerto Banús, about 50 minutes to Malaga. If you were to walk from here, of course, there's the beach, beautiful promenade, etc. But the closest shops are only about 5 minutes away. You've got a Lidl, I can see the Lidl from here, actually, that's how close it is. You've got a beautiful marina, in case you're planning on getting a boat one day. Everything is surrounding you. But parting is such sweet sorrow, as I always say, so I've been me, and you have been you, and this has been Casares, and you can go away now, because I'm gonna chill.